Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi 13T and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by going into devices settings and scrolling down to access passwords and security. Then click on screen lock and tap on the best login method for you: pattern, PIN or password. Now wait 5 seconds and choose Got It in the pop-up. Finally, you get to create it. Repeat it in order to confirm it. And click on Confirm at the bottom right corner. If you wish to add your fingerprint right away, you can do that by tapping on Add in the pop-up. If you don't, select Cancel. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!